Ever felt that knot in your stomach when you check your Grabpay balance, expecting to see your funds readily available, only to be met with the dreaded on hold status? It's a frustrating experience, especially when you're relying on that money for your next ride, meal, or bill payment. We've all been there, staring at the screen, wondering what went wrong and how to get our money back. But what exactly does money on hold mean in the world of Grabpay, and more importantly, why does it happen? Imagine this: you've just booked a Grab ride or ordered food, and your Grabpay wallet shows a deduction. Great, right? But then, for some reason, the transaction doesn't go through as expected. Maybe the driver cancels, or an item is out of stock. Suddenly, that deducted amount isn't back in your wallet instantly. It's in limbo, on hold. This isn't unique to Grabpay. It's a common practice across many digital payment platforms, often referred to as a pre-authorization hold. Think of it like a hotel checking your card when you book a room. They temporarily lock down funds to ensure you can pay, but they don't actually charge you until you check out. It's a security measure, a way to prevent fraud and ensure sufficient funds are available. Now, let's dive into the core reasons why your Grabpay money might be on hold. The most frequent culprit is a pre-authorization hold. When you initiate a transaction, especially with a linked credit or debit card, Grabpay might place a temporary hold on an amount to confirm that funds are available. This isn't an actual charge, but rather a reservation of funds. If the transaction is completed, the final amount is charged, and any excess held is released. If the transaction is canceled, say, your driver cancels the ride or the food order is rejected, the pre-authorization hold is eventually released. However, eventually is the key word here. The time it takes for these funds to reflect back in your account largely depends on your issuing bank's policies, which can range from a few hours to several business days, sometimes even up to 30 days. Another common reason relates to canceled or uncompleted transactions. As mentioned, if you cancel a ride, food order, or any other Grab service after the payment has been initiated, the money might be held temporarily. Similarly, if a transaction fails due to technical glitches, network issues, or even an error on the merchant's end, the funds can get stuck in this on hold status. Security protocols and suspicious activity also play a significant role. Grab, like any other financial platform, has robust systems in place to detect and prevent fraudulent transactions. If their system flags an unusual or potentially suspicious activity on your account, they might put your funds on hold as a precautionary measure. This could be anything from multiple failed transactions, attempts to use multiple accounts on the same device, or even large, uncharacteristic transactions. In such cases, Grab might require additional verification from you to ensure the legitimacy of the transaction and the account holder. Sometimes, account verification issues can lead to funds being held. If your Grabpay wallet isn't fully verified, or if there's an issue with your linked bank account or card, e.g., expired card, insufficient funds, incorrect details, transactions might be put on hold until these verification hurdles are cleared. This is particularly common when setting up a new payment method or after a period of inactivity on your account. Finally, disputes or investigations can cause funds to be held. If you've disputed a transaction, or if Grab is investigating a payment discrepancy, they might put the funds on hold until the matter is resolved. This ensures that the funds are available for either party once a resolution is reached. If your money is on hold, the first step is always to check your Grab app's transaction history for details. Often, the app will provide a status update or a reason for the hold. If it's a pre-authorization hold for a canceled service, patience is usually the best approach, as the funds will typically be released within a few business days, depending on your bank. For other issues, contacting Grab's customer support directly with your transaction details is crucial. They can investigate the specific reason for the hold and guide you on the steps needed to release your funds. Remember to provide screenshots or any relevant information to expedite the process. Understanding why your money might be on hold with Grabpay can help alleviate some of that frustration and empower you to take the right steps to resolve the issue. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.